Oo. Hi guys, we're here with the kid. Natutuwa ako sa kanya kasi ang galing-galing niya mag-English. At saka, aside from that, magaling siyang lumangoy. 5 years old na, let's go. Come in. 1, 2, come in. 1, 2, 3, go! Oh, nakita niyo yun guys. Ang galing-galing niya talagang lumangoy. So nice of him. So nice of her pala, sorry. What's your name again? What's your name again? I'm sorry. What's your name again, Samantha? Samantha Del Mundo?
S-U-M-M-E-R.
Do you know Samantha Del Mundo?
No.
What about Anna?
Anna?
Yeah, they are from Asentado. Do you watch Asentado?
Like they have.
Yeah. Who's your favorite
sister.
singer? Yeah, they're sisters actually. It's from Camelia Gold. Who's your favorite singer? Do you know any singer? Oh, what's your favorite dance?
There's an awesome dance at American's Got Talent.
Oh, American's Got Talent. We only have Filipinas Got Talent here in the Philippines. And Asia's.
I always watch this.
Let's swim again. Come in. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Oh.
Go back inland.
Yes, you're so good. That's nice of you. Grabe guys, hapon na. Ang galing-galing niyang lumangoy. Natutuwa ako sa kanya. Nice meeting you, Samantha.
Bye-bye.
What's your name again? No, it's not Samantha. I'm sorry. It's Summer. Summer. Okay. I'll call you Summer. Ciao.